Hello everyone, my name is Ian and I'm the Community Manager at LangNet. This is a tutorial video that shows you how to use the LangNet Telegram bot to make audio recordings and earn free Lang tokens. So to get started, you need to go to our LangNet Telegram group and find the link to the LangNet Telegram bot, which you can do easily by clicking on the pinned message. And in the pinned message, it should be the link at the very top. Now when you first use the bot, this is the message that you'll see. And there will be a button that says Start. Mine says Restart because I'm already using this bot. So click on this button. Click on Yes. And then it's going to ask for two pieces of information. The country you're living in, the country you're from, and the language that you speak. So to do this, I'm going to fill in this information right now. Then Send. And then which language you speak, same thing. I'll just say set language, English, send. Once those things are confirmed, now we can start recording. So to start recording, click on this blue link here. Now all the text that you have to read will be in bold font like this. And to start recording, you see this mic icon here. You tap and hold this and read the sentence. But let us first read what he has written here. And then what will happen is your recording will be processed in the back end. And if the recording gets processed properly and validated, then you'll get a message saying that your sentence has been validated and that you've also earned one Lang token, which I did here. And then to continue, you can read the next sentence, which is this one. We'll start with the cons first and finish up with the advantages of this new and ever-expanding class of investment management. So same thing, the message will get validated, processed, and validated. And in a few seconds, you'll get a message saying that your recording has been validated. Okay, and there's the message. So now this time, I'm going to try something different and record a sentence that is not the same as the text. So I'm going to say a sentence incorrectly to show you what happens when it doesn't match up. The weather is very nice today. I'm going to walk my dog and hang out at the park. Okay, so this time, my sentence does not match the text. Let's see what kind of message we get. Okay, so it says, sorry, the sentence was not validated. And it says, please record in a quiet area and speak clearly into your mic. So what happens is, my sentence was completely different from the text that that was in the text box. So in that case, you get this kind of message. And when you get this message, please don't try to go back and re-record that text. Instead, just move on. So if you got this message saying that your sentence was not validated, do not go back and record the sentence again. Instead, let's move on with this new sentence. Then the banker cautiously broke the seals off the door and put the key in the keyhole. Okay, so in that way we just move on. We don't go back to previous sentences that were not validated. And yes, this one was validated, so we've earned another Lang token. So that's pretty much it. So keep recording sentences and earn Lang tokens. Right now, we only have English sentences, but we'll be adding other languages very soon. So we will keep everyone posted in our community. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.